Good day everyone. My topic is all about data gathering and organizing data. So here's the objectives. Define data and statistics. Explain the difference between sample and population. Distinguish among sampling techniques. Representing data using graph and chart. What is data gathering? The process of gathering and measuring information on variables interest in established systematic fashion that enables to answer state research questions and evaluate outcomes. Statistics, a branch of applied mathematics that involves the collection, description, analysis, and inference of conclusions from quantitative data. The mathematical theories behind statistics rely heavily on differential and integral calculus, linear algebra, and probability theory. So now let's proceed to the population and sample. When statistical studies are performed, we usually begin by identifying the population of the study. So population consists of all subjects under study. And sample, representative subgroup or subset of a population. So guys, ito yung example. Pag sinabing population, marami. Then kapag naman sinabing sample lang, ibig sabihin may main group ka lang na gustong malaman yung kanilang data. Methods of data gathering. Sampling, selecting the group that you will actually collect data from in your research. So the first is simple random sample. Second, systematic sample. And the third is stratified sample. The last one is cluster sample. Ayan, so we have an example. A student in education class is given an assignment to find out how late typical students at a campus stay up to study. He decided to stop by the Union by 9 a.m. class and ask everyone sitting at a table how late they were up studying the night before. Letter A, what method of sampling is he using? So letter B, do you think he's likely to get a representative sample? The answer is letter A, since he choosing all the student in a particular place at a particular time, he has chosen a cluster sample. B, the sample is unlikely to be representative since he's pulling people early in the morning. Those that tends to stay up very late studying are less likely to be included to the sample. Graphing. The graphic use is determined by the types of data collected. Is an important way of visually representing data. Provides a significant amount of information. So let's proceed to the types of graphs and charts. A bar graph is composed of discrete bars that represent different categories of data. Then yung pie chart naman is a circular chart used to compare parts of the whole. It is divided into sectors that are equal in size to the quantity represented. So, line graph display the relationship between two types of information such as number of school personnel trained by year. A histogram has connected bars that display the frequency or proportion of cases that fall within defined intervals or columns. The bars on the histogram can be of varying with the typically display continuous data. So that's all. Thank you for listening.